Okay, in this video, I want to share to all of you about how to make this unique table with a unique support like this. Okay, we have to using this rotated rectangle, and then we have to place on this position, on the any position. Okay, maybe for example, we have to place on this position. Then we have to set the weight of the table. The weight of the table is around 500. Then for the length of the table, it's around 900. Okay, so we have to make the soft edge for every single corner of the table and using the 2-point arc and just place on this position for every single corner. Okay, and it's done, and then we have to push it up until 20 millimeter. Okay, we have to triple click, right click, and make group, and then we have to make the rectangle on this position. Okay, so we have to push it up. We have to push it up around 20 to 200, I mean. Okay, so then we have to make the offset. We have to offset by clicking this line, and then we have to offset it inside. Okay, this one. Okay, so then we can click this line and move and press Control, and then we have to um, move and duplicate it until 30. And also on the right side, we have to click this one and move and duplicate it until 30. Okay, so we have to we have to using the 2-point arc again and approximately in this position. Then we have to click and delete some unnecessary line, and then we have to place on this position also. Okay, and delete for unnecessary line also. Okay, so then we have to using the 2-point arc again, and okay, and we have to uh, adjust this with the position and also in this position. Okay, I will repeat it. Okay, and then we have to push it until the limit and it's done. Okay, we have to triple click, right click, and just make group, and then we have to rotate and duplicate. Click and rotate, it's around 90. And then we have to adjust for every single length. Triple click and move until this position and select this only, this area only, and then move to the correct position. Okay, then we can okay, we have to move and adjust for the correct place in this area. You want to click and move until this position. Okay, we have just to move until this position. Okay, we have to move it down anyway. Okay, so we have to adjust for the materials. We have, we have to adjust for the material, and it's done. I mean, okay. Okay, thanks for watching, and just wait for my next video. Thank you.